Guys, welcome back to Brightech Robotics. Here we teach robotics and computing, and we bring it down to our student level. Today we are going to look at a simple way of changing from base 10 to base 2, or converting from decimal to binary. Guys, please, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like and share our channel. Now let's head on to the screen. Guys, welcome back. So to change from decimal to binary, or from base 10 to base 2, when you are working in base 2, so 2 is the base, so we have 2 raised to the power 0, 2 raised to the power 1, 2 raised to the power 2, 2 raised to the power 3, 2 raised to the power 4, 2 raised to the power 5, 2 raised to the power 6, in that order. So 2 raised to the power 0 will give us 1. Any number raised to the power 0 is 1. 2 raised to the power 1 is 2. 2 raised to the power 2 is 4. 2 raised to the power 3 is 8. 2 raised to the power 4 is 16. 2 raised to the power 5, 32. 2 raised to the power 6, 64. And it goes in that order. So we have 64, 128, 256, 512 in that order. Okay, so to change from decimal to binary, we are going to use these numbers. Now, if you have 5 as a decimal number and you want to change 5 to binary, so we have 1, 2, 4. Since 5 is within 3 bits, so we can get our answer here. This is 3 bits. So we will look up, or we will select the numbers that when we sum them up, we will get 5. Those numbers, we will place 1 there. Then the leftovers, or the ones that we ignore or was not part of the summation, we will place 0 there. So to get 5 is 4 plus 1. So the numbers that have been selected, I will place 1, 1 there. Then those that were not part of the summation, I will place 0 there. So to change 5 to binary, the answer is 1, 0, 1, base 2. Let's try with another one. So if you have 7 as a decimal number and we want to change 7 to binary, so you have 1, 2, 4. 7 is also within 3 bits, so we can get our answer here. So here we will look up for the numbers that when we sum them up, we will get 7. So 4 plus 2 plus 1. So 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So here we've selected all, so we place 1, 1, 1 there. So 7 to binary is 1, 1, 1, base 2. Let's try it with another number. So we have 23. So 23 is a decimal number and we want to change 23 to binary. So I have 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. So 23 is within 5 bits. So here I will get my answer from this. So we are going to select the numbers that when we sum them up, we will get 23. So 16 plus 4 will give me 20. Plus 2 will give me 22. Plus 1 will give me 23. So the only number that is not part of the summation is 8. So we place 0 there. So 23 to binary is 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, base 2. Now let's try another one. You can pause the video, then you also try it. So let's try another one. So 38 as a decimal, and we want to change it to binary or base 2. So 1 2 4 8 16 32. So 32 is 38 is within 6 bits. 38 is within 6 bits. So from here we can get our answer. So we are going to select the numbers that when we sum them up, we will get the 38. So I will select 32. So 32 plus 4 will give me 36. Plus 2 will give me 38. So I ended there since I have my 38. So the others, I place 0 there. So zeros for them. So 38 to binary is 1 0 0 1 1 0 base 2. So for the last time, let's try the last one. So 73. So 73 here, and we have to change 73 from decimal to binary, or from base 10 to base 2. So I have my 1 2 4 8 16 32 64. So 73 is within this bit. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 bits. Don't forget, we are closer to a byte. Okay, so this is 7 bits, and we will get our 73 from here. So we are going to select the numbers that when we sum them up, we will get the 73. So 64 plus 8 plus 1 will give me 73. So 64 plus 8 is 72, plus 1 is 73. So the others, we just give them zeros. So 0 here, 0 here, 0 here, 0 here. So 73 to binary is 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 base 2. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time. Bye.